This is an Operation Christmas Child Shoebox for a girl age 5 to 9 years old in this cool horse wrapping paper. If you know what this is called, let me know down below. Like, what is this called when the pictures like look like that? So let's open it up and see what's inside. In here we have a notebook, a washcloth, pretty Barbie doll, a unicorn toy, 3 pairs of girls' socks, a princess tiara, a jump rope, hairbrush, small hairbrush, 3 headbands, a pink or white Hot Wheels car, which is pretty cool, kid-sized toothbrush, pens and pencils, some crayons, a bunch of hair ties, pencil sharpener, bar of soap, kid-sized scissors, 2 sheets of stickers, colored paper, and a pink eraser. So that is everything that is in this box. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to see more of what I'm packing down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!